Hello. Well, we have an announcement to make. Sherry is retiring, which means one thing: I've got to go too. But don't worry, take in a deep breath. You're going to be well taken care of. You have empowered us with a trust, and we're not going to breach that trust even in retirement. In fact, we're going to honor that trust by introducing you to our replacements, Dr. Josh Gilmer and his wife Jennifer. Yes, you're going to get another husband and wife team. Dr. Josh is an experienced chiropractor, and Jennifer has been trained by the best, Sherry. The only thing that they don't have is a relationship with you. So, based upon your trust of us, we're going to ask you to allow them into your world, into your life, just as you have us. Because if you do, they will serve you forever, and they will serve you faithfully, because that's just who they are. Now, in the next few days, you're going to be getting more video or emails telling you how the transition is going to take place, who's going to be where, what the office hours is, because they'll be new. And so, take in a deep breath. We're going to be around. Matter of fact, Josh is going to be my chiropractor. And we've even talked about how when he goes on vacation, I'll fill in for him. So you'll be seeing me around. But it's been a great 45 years. We thank you. We love you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I get the privilege of introducing you to Dr. Gilmer's wife, Jennifer, and we have been working together for months on the weekends. I've been going over all the office policies, procedures. We've been working on insurance and giving her all the ins and outs so that she can explain to you your benefits. Dr. Gilmer and Jennifer are people of character. They love the Lord. They're passionate about chiropractic. And just as Doc and I have loved you and have taken care of you, they are going to do the same.
So I am just really excited about this new chapter of our lives, this new adventure. We're grateful for the opportunity. We're very honored that Dr. Peeks and Sherry would consider us to take over your care, and we're just looking forward to getting to know all of you.
Hello, I want to introduce you to Dr. Josh Gilmer. He is a man who loves the Lord. He is a man who has character, who has confidence, and he also has a willingness to carry on the legacy that I've built up in the last 45 years. He has the ability to nurture you, to take care of you just as I have. He'll be just as interested in you as I am now. And so it's a matter of fact, he has been an influence in my life. He showed me how to adjust better 5 or 6 years ago. So quite frankly, in the last 5 or 6 years, you have been influenced by him already, and you didn't know it, because he made me a better adjuster. So I want to introduce Dr. Josh Gilmer, and he's going to be my wonderful replacement, and he will love you just as I did.
Thank you, Dr. Peeks. I just want to say thank you for your 45 years of service. You've been a great steward for chiropractic with your passion and your care and your heart. I do want to make a commitment to your patients, and now me being a new face, and Jennifer, my wife, being a new face in the practice. We want to make a commitment to you that we'll keep the same passion, the same care, the same standards and values that Dr. Peeks and his wife Sherry have provided over the years. So thank you. We look forward to meeting you and hope to see you soon.